Time for you guys. Now, I remember when I went to Photoville that we just came to this, inside of the barrier, and I'm going to show you what you guys. Here's the posters, and then in the spirit that we went to the Queen's Museum, and then there's the construction workers, and then you got the grocery stores, and then cleaning the bathroom, and then always take photographies. All those African Americans. Hip hops, rappers, Jamaican. Either living in Grenada. Read this story. Growing up, Amelia. But actually, I'm going to give you for a slideshow just ahead. Very close. Amelia's dog, reindeers, tigers, ponies, chimpanzees, all her pets and animals. This is the water keeper warriors all over the country, fishing rods and swims, and then when they go to camp and go to the it's just deep in random boat. And you can surf it and you can always swim. This is for the culture trip for the waterkeeper islands. Sorry, what it has from this one. It has the water. We have cigars, monitors, amputees, bears, windows. Indonesia, Marilyn Monroe, Anna Pavlova with the Russian government. Also you got either way John F. Kennedy, or I thought this is what Martin Luther King. Yeah. That we just always went to this one. Like we went to the Museum of Modern Art. Next we have the yes for the Latin Americans. This is by the Epson. Your vision. This frame. And I'm going to give you guys a take. But just about quick, just rotate that for it. And that's the posters, or actually this is the envelope stamp, matches and then so forth. How about this? The boxing game right here. Armies. All those models. This is the history of all women were native, the Central, even the Latin Americans. In even other countries of the world, which is like the representative, the president, either secretary of Congress, and also prime ministers, evenly. Like for example, Nancy Pelosi. We have next for about this Afghanistan that very show May 2000 New York Times Magazine. I feel like Dr. Phil Guns or what else we got here? There's African women like who are in Egypt or Ethiopia, and I'm trying to what? Oh, here's the 4D cinema. They watching the movie. India's and then Philippines, Indonesia's, all the Middle East. You guys some you see really similar, or you guys some see really dangerous about those bloodies? The slaughter,
After 9/11.
hold on, which one is that?
Caribou's heart is part human.
That's
The village in the heart and part caribou.
the ants like Photoville Opening.
Stories of long ago said elders were able to
and you got weapons on it, and you got to slaughter it before they can kill it. Go with this water is women's issues. This is what we got. The pipers, and you know, you turn your waters on when you get thirsty, so you have to use the drinking water. And then you guys, for always, keep the rivers on it, the littering, and then all kinds of lotions on, dishwashing, and then I'm sure we can plan this going by waters, all waters. Women is a water's issue. You may see about where I have a dog for the breaking. There's waves, there's frozen ices or satellites, illegals or schoolfish, trampolines, what we have, what's got? Either other transport. So,
Yeah.
Julia, what do you think about the Photoville?
I like it.
Alright, how about you, William?
I like it a lot. It's really cool.
And both of you guys gonna love this one for the Photoville. You can come back for it next day on the. Oh, thank you.